Now we will see solution number 19a part. And the first information you know very well, that after writing the amount here, we have to write that is of your net profit before tax. So here I am going to write it here, net profit before tax. So you can see here we have here net PROFIT profit, that is before tax. BEFORE before your tax. So what we have to see, we have to make a note on this, that is note number 1. So we will directly see it from the book. You can see here in the given information we have here, this is profit and loss of 17 and the profit and loss balance sheet of 18. So the difference of these two, if I am going to calculate the difference of these two, let me take the pencil also. डिफरेंस इफ आई एम गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट दिस टू, सो 8 5 50 5 6 7 8 3 और गया 2 50. सो इट इज़ द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस इज ऑफ योर 2,50,000. इट इज़ क्लियर. एंड इन दिस 2,50,000 what we have to add, we have to add that is of your amount transfer to the general reserve. जनरल रिजर्व हम ऐड करते हैं इसमें, और इनकम टैक्स प्रोविजन अगर बनाया है तो वो भी ऐड कर लेते हैं, मतलब 2 लाख रुपए और ऐड कर लेंगे. इट इज़ इक्वल्स टू योर 2 लाख रुपीज़. सो 2,50,000 एंड 2 लाख, इट विल बी बिकम योर 5,50,000. सो later on we will write that directly. I have calculated. So the amount we have here 4,50,000. Now amount, final amount we will have here, that is of below 4,50,000, 2,50,000 and 3 lakhs. 2,50,000, 50,000, 3 lakhs, 4,50,000. It is your 4,50,000. After that, what we have to do? Adjustment for cash and non-cash and non-operating activities we have to do. So I am going to write it. It is adjustment for. It is going to write here, that is ADJUST. Adjustment for your non-cash and your non-operating OPERATING operating items, ITEMS items. So what are the operating and non-operating items? Here in this, what we have to do, we have to add in this. So you can see the addition part we will have. So here debentures written off we have, and loss and sale of furniture. So discount on issue of debentures. So it is written discount on debentures written off part 1,000 and loss on fire. So I am going to write it here. It is your addition part, DISCOUNT. Discount on ISSU, issue of debentures, TEBENTURE, debenture written off, WRITTENOFF, written off. How much it is? It is of your given 10,000 rupees. And loss on sale of, another thing is given, loss on sale of SALE, sale of furniture, FURNITURE, furniture. It is of your 1,000 rupees. So if we will add this, it is your 11,000 rupees. It is 11,000 rupees. And the new amount you will get 4,61. So it is your 4,61,000, and this amount is to be subtracted by. Addition part is this. Now we will subtract. So less, we have to subtract the things. So we will subtract less income from whatever the incomes we have. So income from investment we have in this. So income, INCONE, income, FROM, from investment, INVESTMENT, investment. Income from investment we have given 4,000 rupees. So directly I am going to write, because no other income is given. So I am going to subtract this 4,000. So by subtracting this 4,000, we will have an amount 51,357. So it is 4,57,000. It is 4,57,000 rupees. It is clear. And this amount is what? It is operating profit before working capital changes. It is clear. So I am going to write it here. It is what? Your OPERATING, operating profit, PROFIT, profit before working capital, WORKING, working, your CAPITL, capital, CHAN, GES changes. Now what? Again the same process. Decrease in asset DCA and DCA, very good, DCA and ICL. उसके बाद addition part, this is DCA and ICL, and subtraction part is what? So we have to add here. This addition is what? Addition is decrease in current assets. So DECREASE, decrease in CURRENT, current, your ASSETS, assets. So decrease in current assets, you can see, is there is any decrease in current assets? So given information, prepaid expenses is asset on 1/4/2017 is given 8,000 rupees. So it is decrease in current asset, your PPRE PAID, prepaid, your EXPENSES, expenses, it is given 8,000. What we have to do? We have to add this 8,000. No other information is here, so I am going to write it like this only. So अगर कोई दो पॉइंट होते देन वी विल यूज दीज टू लाइन. सो एडिशन विल बी 58, 7, 8, 3, 5, 6, 65. सो इट इज़ 4,65,000 now what we have to do? Is there is any other addition, that is increase in current liability? No liabilities are there, so we will see anything else, that is of your decrease in current assets, nothing is given. Increase in decrease in current liabilities, that is also not given. Increase in current asset, not given. So this amount will be the final amount, but we have income tax paid, and we are assuming that whatever the we assume this thing that the income tax paid during the year जो भी इस साल है, that is the equivalent to the provision for the last year. It is clear? So here we have to less the income, we have to less the income tax. It is what? We have to less income tax paid. Income tax paid, INCOME, income tax, your tax paid, PAID. We assume that whatever we have here income tax, in that we have added, that only we are going to pay this year. So it was your 1,50,000. It is 1,50,000. So final amount we will get here at the end of this, that is 3,50,000. A 3,00,000, your 15,000 will be the your net cash flow from operating activities. So it is your answer. It is net your cash flow, FLOW, flow from, FROM, from operating, 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 ACTIVITIES activities. Clear? Now इसमें note number 1 also we have to write, because I have directly calculated from the question. So for a hint I am going to give you. So profit, the difference of the profit is given, that is of your profit was given you 2 lakhs profit, that is of your note number 1, that is PROFIT. Profit was given you 2,50,000. It is clear? And in this what we have to do? We have to add general reserves and provision for tax. So what we have done here, इनमें हमने क्या किया था? Provision, PROVISIONS, provisions जितने थे हमारे पास, 50,000 के provisions थे हमारे पास इसमें, और हमारे पास क्या था? हमारे पास provision for tax भी था. जनरल रिजर्व थे ये जनरल रिजर्व थे प्रोविजन में ही. दिस वॉज ऑफ योर जनरल रिजर्व, GENERAL, जर्नल, RESER, जनरल रिजर्व दिए हुए थे हमारे को, जनरल रिजर्व थे ये. दिस वॉज योर जनरल रिजर्व. एंड प्रोविजन वॉज PROVISION, प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स था. ये टैक्स वाला प्रोविजन जो हमने माना था 1,50,000, एंड द सेम वी हैव एज्यूम्ड एंड पेड ओवर हियर. इट इज़ क्लियर? सो द टोटल ऑफ दिस वॉज योर 4,50,000. This was your total 4,50,000. It is clear?